Hey everyone, welcome back to Vlogs on Campus. My name is Alice and I'm a second year journalism student studying in London at the moment, and I am here today to talk to you about moving into halls or university accommodation and coping with living with strangers. So just to give you some background, I moved into halls in 2016 for my first year of university, and my halls had, probably about 500 people in, and probably more than that to be honest, and central London, just down the road from Waterloo Station. So very busy, lots going on, lots of people, but it was also just about a couple minutes down the road from campus as well, so it was perfect location for getting to university every day. So that is the background. I moved into a flat of mixed gender, and it was 8 of us all together, and they do it completely randomly, so you don't really know who you're going to be with. They do, however, put you in my university put us in like a Facebook group, so you can kind of see who your flatmates are going to be, and you can kind of start to like stalk each other on Facebook kind of thing. First of all, your room is really important, because London is so busy, you really want to have your own space where you can, it's like your only space where you can be apart from everything else. Mine seemed to be a lot smaller than everyone else's. My flat was on the 5th floor of an 8-storey building. My room was very small. I remember walking into it for the first time with my mum and thinking like, wow, we're so close to the South Bank, we might be able to see something cool out the window, like, I don't know. So I walked in and it was just literally just a brick wall out of my window, so I was a bit like, great. So immediately I realised my room was going to be very dark, and in the winter especially, it's going to be pitch black in my room by about 3 p.m. I think to make your room your own is really important, whether that's fairy lights, you're not allowed candles, but like diffusers, oil diffusers, posters, anything that's going to make it sort of cozy. So yeah, make it your own, and then you always have somewhere to escape to. I was quite lucky, I had my own bathroom as well. I know some people have to share bathrooms, but I have my own ensuite. Okay, so you've moved in, your room is organised how you want it, and then it's time to meet all of your flatmates. People could be older than you, might be a little bit younger than you, most people were going to be doing different courses to you, so you have to be really open-minded and just be lovely and introduce yourself to everyone, because you're going to be living with these people for the next 9 months, so you need to like break the ice, but also be prepared that not everyone's going to be into what you're into, but really take the initiative to get to know people, and you might find that like people are really interesting and you can help each other with work, and but finally, as good as it is to really socialise with people and get to know your flatmates, be prepared to set boundaries if you need to. I know it can be quite daunting. It's difficult because when people go to uni, some people kind of really get carried away with the whole, like, to be honest, just going out and getting wasted every night. Don't feel like you need to kind of do that. You'll find throughout the year, I found that people do kind of get into quite bad habits, and to be honest, they end up not really putting that effort into uni. So by setting boundaries, I kind of mean if you think like maybe your belongings aren't being treated fairly by everyone else in the flat, then don't be afraid to say something, because at the end of the day that's your stuff that's going to get damaged. One time some people were having like pre-drinks in the flat with like people from different flats, so there's a lot of people in the kitchen, and I went into the kitchen the next day and there was one of my saucepans which had been taken from the washing up and just like put on the table, and literally had been used as an ashtray. It had loads of cigarette butts in it, and I just walked in and I thought, what the hell? I would never do that to anyone's belongings. But again, the kitchen always seemed to be like in a bit of a state. So many times I'd go into the kitchen and there'd be like tobacco all over the table, or you're at uni, people are going to be taking drugs, people are going to be doing all sorts of shit, so there's going to be evidence, let's say, of that everywhere. Just, you know, keep your belongings nice and secure and you should be fine. My flat was quite good. We had a Facebook group chat set up, so if there was ever any issues we could just contact the whole group in that chat, which was good. Again, in terms of being respectful, like you're living with 8 people, chances are people are going to have friends around, or they're going to be playing music really late, and there was quite a few messages in our group chat quite often for various people, like, oh, do you mind turning down your music? I've got to be awake in a few hours, that kind of thing. So there you go, there's a few points on moving into halls for the first time. Good luck though, enjoy it. You'll probably meet some really great friends. I met some good friends, I met my boyfriend in halls. So yeah, it's really good, it's nice to be communal. And I currently now live in a flat, like a private flat, for my second year of studying. So if you're in a similar situation and you need to find accommodation for your second year, then there'll be a part 2 to this video where you can, where I've got some tips for that as well. Thanks so much for watching. So I'm sure you'll find my links all in the description, but thanks for listening and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Hey everyone, so I'm just editing this video and I just wanted to mention that obviously Campus Society is one of the best, like the best platform for communication between students online from different unis. And for example, I'd literally just typed in uni accommodation and there is so many posts. In fact, there's over 10,000 posts. So definitely check it out. And you never know, you might find someone who is also moving into the same accommodation as you.